SEIS STEMI, Compact Stereo Microscopes, 10 highlights for industrial use. SEIS STEMI provides easy operation. Simply place your sample, illuminate it, focus, and start your work. Enjoy the large working distance and field of view in your daily inspection, assembly, and repairing tasks. Observe your unprepared workpieces as they are, three-dimensional and without distortion or color fringes. Zoom quickly from overview to the optimal level of detail, with your sample remaining sharply focused. Exchange your optics to double the resolution or to maximize field of view and depth of focus. Select the stand best suited to your tasks, from a range of table stands, boom arm stands, and mobile floor stands. Switch between the integrated LED illuminators or mix their light to optimize contrast. Use fiber optic illumination to enhance contrast on flat surfaces or dark areas and to reduce reflections. Add a SEIS camera to acquire images or videos, add annotations, and report the results. Using LabScope, the SEIS imaging app, you create your own connected lab and have all live images available at a glance.